Hi, hello everyone. So, how to master efficient task management with technology? So, today I will be back to you with a new technology related video. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are diving into essential skills for successful in fast-paced digital world. Efficient task management with technology. So in this video, we will discuss how to master yourself to perform efficiently your task using technology. So whether you are a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to boost your productivity, these tips and tools will help you stay organized and get things done. So in so at the end of the video, you are able to do how to master efficient task management with technology. So number one is important of task management. So point number one is importance of task management. Before getting into nitty-gritty of technology, let's discuss why efficient task management is crucial. In our hectic lives, staying organized not only enhances productivity but also reduces stress and improves work-life balance. So, first of all, we have to understand why efficient task management is crucial. Why it's crucial? Why people fail to perform efficiently in task management? Because we have a hectic life, so sometimes we miss out the things. So, in the first point, we will look into the importance of task management. Number two is task management apps. So we will make yourself efficient and more efficient by using task management app. One of the easiest way to streamline your work management is through dedicated app. Let's explore some popular option. So in this way, we will find out on internet some of the best task management apps which are present. First up, we have so in the list of task management app, on number one we have first app we have Todoist. This app offers a user-friendly interface with features like due dates, priorities, and project organization. So this is the first app. So app number two is Trello. Trello is a fantastic choice for visual thinkers. It utilizes board, list, and card to help you track tasks effortlessly. So it will also app and helpful for you to manage your tasks. If you are into minimalistic design, consider Microsoft to do. If you want a minimal or user-friendly or easy to use app, so Microsoft to do is one of the best option. It seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft app and offers smart suggestions. So if you are not much interested in complicated apps, so you have option for Microsoft to do. Now, calendar integration. Another tech-savvy way to manage tasks is by integrating them into your calendar. So, when you integrate your calendar with your task, manage task, whether you use Google Calendar, App Calendar, or other platforms, syncing your task with your events, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. So, if you integrate your task with the calendars, If you are using Android phone, you can use Google Calendar. If you are using Apple phone, you can use Apple Calendar, and other platform are also available. By syncing your or integrate your calendar with these apps, you can monitor or you can check your tasks in digital note taking. Let's talk about digital note taking tools, shall we? These are the perfect for jotting down quick tasks, ideas, and reminders on the go. So, note taking. So, in this digital world, it's not easy to write down all the things on pen or paper. So, people are preferred to use digital note taking apps. So, we will discuss the apps of note taking. Host. Evernote a classic choice. Let's create notebook and organize notes with tags and events. OneNote, Microsoft answer to note taking seamlessly blend type and add writing notes with the multimedia attachment. After note taking app, we will move to segment number 5, which is automation. Now let's dive into future with task automation. Imagine your task getting done without you lifting a finger. So you can imagine you don't need to move yourself, and your tasks are done automatically. So this is the process of automation. So IFTTT, if this then that, allows you to create applets that trigger action based on certain conditions. So this is the app that create trigger action on some certain condition. Like if you leave the room, the light turn off or switch off. So Zapier, a similar tool, connect with favorite app to automate workflow, save your time. So Zapier is also one of the app that allows you to automate your workflow and save your time. Segment number 6, wearable tech. For Apple users, the Apple Watch can discreetly notify you about tasks and events, keeping you on top of your game. So in wearable tech in task management, on the top of the list, the Apple Watch, which will notify you the notifications, you get messages, calls, or your task, they will update you on your Apple Watch. If you are an Android section, smartwatch like those or Samsung and Fitbit offer you similar. So if you are an Android user, don't worry that you don't use Apple Watch. You can use Android Watch like Fitbit and Samsung that offer you the watches with same or similar functionalities. So next is setting up reminders. Last but not the least, never underestimate the importance of reminder. So never ignore the importance of reminder. Sometimes you are very patient about some task, but due to hectic routine, you forget about the task. So it's very important that reminder will ask you to do the task or prioritize them. Smart assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri can help you set reminder with just a voice command. So, in this way, you don't need to type Google Assistant, Apple Siri, or Amazon Alexa. You just give them voice command, and they will perform you or set a reminder for you. Next is don't forget location based reminder. Your phone can ping you with a task when you arrive at specific place. Also, sometimes you have somewhere else and you need to do a task at some specific place. So set up the reminder for that place. Whenever you reach that place, you ping a reminder that you have to do a task, specific task at that place. So next is we will make a conclusion of this video, and there are you have to it. THE-TECH-BYTE tools and strategy to revolutionize your task management. Remember, it's not about the quantity of tasks you complete, but the quality of work you produce. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay productive and tech-savvy.